Only on WLWT tonight, a Hamilton police officer accused of slamming a man's head into a wall has been acquitted on all charges.
This incident took place last year inside the police department's booking room. Surveillance cameras captured it all, and WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson was in court today for that trial and is live in Hamilton with those details. Hi, Karen.
Well, hey guys, Hamilton police officer Stephen Heffernan had been charged with 4 counts of assault, all misdemeanors. Well, today, after hearing from the officer as well as the alleged victim, Judge Noah Powers found the officer not guilty on all counts. These are the moments that landed Hamilton police officer Stephen Heffernan in court. A fight inside the department's booking room left 62-year-old Michael Yorty unconscious after suffering a head injury. The officer was charged with 4 counts of assault, misdemeanors.
Did you ever do anything intentionally to cause the injuries that he sustained on him?
Absolutely not.
Today, Heffernan testified in his own defense. Last September, Yorty was taken into custody because of a warrant for failing to pay court costs. Heffernan says once in the booking room, Yorty stopped complying and refused to sit down. Heffernan says when he walked over to Yorty, his intent was to make his legs buckle so he could cuff him to the bench.
As I was pushing him, he kind of turned sideways and his head hit the wall. It wasn't supposed to be slamming him into the wall. If you look at his legs, like when I go to set him down, he crosses and kind of twists over like that, which makes him go into the wall.
Moments later, this unfolded. Heffernan says Yorty kicked him.
And I got kicked right there. At this point, my goal right now is I don't want to get hit in the face. I want to lay him on the ground so we can get him under control and we can put shackles on him.
As the men went to the ground, Yorty hit his head again on the side of a desk and lost consciousness. Judge Noah Powers heard the case, including testimony from Yorty, and also watched the video.
Having found that his conduct was objectively reasonable, the court finds that the state has not proven Mr. Heffernan's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt as to any of the charges.
And Judge Powers says he does not want to minimize the injuries to Yorty, but he did note that Yorty also had control over part of the situation had he just complied with the officer and sat down when asked. After today's bench trial, Yorty declined to comment when we asked him if he had anything to say. Reporting live tonight in Hamilton, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.
Karen, thanks so much. And now to the